Okay, I'm walking over here. Okay, I'll start by looking for some water. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna sit here and watch some TV.
Breaking news. A tornado has been spotted. Please take shelter now. Oh no, a tornado. God. Oh my god. I need to call my friend. Oh, looks like she's over here now. Hey.
Okay. Okay. We need to pack. Okay. Oh my god, I'm stressed. Okay. Let's just grab some food. Okay, let's just get some pork chops. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's just go. Okay, down. Okay, we are here. Oh, please, pork chops over here. Okay.
A tornado has been spotted. Please take shelter in a tornado shelter or a basement. Please be calm and stay calm. Please turn on the TV for some news about the tornado or get some radio and listen to it. Okay. Oh no, the power ran out. What will we do? What will we do? Oh my god. What will we do? We're safe. But the power went out. We need to go to the shelter. We're alive. Okay, let's just go to the Okay, we're going to town hall. We're going to town hall. Yeah, okay. We will need to put the power back on because there's no power. Okay, let's go to the town hall. Let's go to the town hall. Let's go to the town. Okay, we will need to put the bells back on. I meant the power. Okay. Hello. Can you please guys turn on the power? Because we need the power. Everyone's getting scared. Okay. Power went on. Went on. Power went on. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you guys, and thank you for Liz for helping me do this video. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Okay, bye.